Unlock the power of advanced AI by diving into the simple steps of creating your Deepseek R1 account today. First, navigate to the official Deepseek R1 website. You'll be greeted by their clean and modern homepage. Look for the prominent Sign Up or Get Started button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin the account creation process. Next, you'll be presented with the sign-up form. This is where you'll enter your essential information. Start by typing your primary email address into the designated field. This will be used for verification and communication. Then, create a strong and memorable password for security. It's recommended to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. You'll likely need to confirm your password by typing it again in the next field to ensure accuracy. Before proceeding, take a moment to review Deepseek R1's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. These documents outline how your data will be used, and the guidelines for using their platform. Check the box to indicate your agreement. Once all the required fields are filled and you've agreed to the terms, click the Create Account or Submit button. This action will initiate the creation of your new Deepseek R1 profile. You should now receive a verification email at the address you provided. Open this email and look for a link or button to confirm your email. Clicking this link is a crucial step to activate your account and ensure it's you. Congratulations! Your Deepseek R1 account is now created and active. You can now explore the exciting AI tools and functionalities that Deepseek R1 has to offer. Enjoy your journey into the world of advanced AI.